Hey guys, JackSquare here with a quick unboxing video for a little something that I picked up from Missouri Meerschaum. Now if you're not familiar with Missouri Meerschaum, they make corncob pipes like this guy right here. I have a few of their pipes. I really enjoy them. And there's one in particular that I've had my eye on for a while, and I decided to go ahead and pull the trigger and pick it up, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. So in this box, I have one of their Cobbit pipes, the Cobbit Shire. Cobbit pipes are churchwarden-style corncob pipes inspired by the works of Tolkien. We'll talk about it a little bit more here in a moment, but let's go ahead and open it up. All right, I think that's going to do it there. Let's see here. Whoop. Packing peanuts, yay! Got something here. What do we got here? This is just, I think, yeah, the paperwork. Hey, cool. All right, we'll deal with that later. But here we have it. Oh, wow, would you look at that? So check this out. This is, like I said, it's one of the Cobbit pipes. There are four of them. The Dwarf, the Shire, this one, the Elf, and the Wizard. This one has kind of that acorn style bowl. The Dwarf is going to be a little bit more level on the bottom there. The Elf is a little bit bigger, and the Wizard, I mean, it's a fairly large one. It's a good size section of cob there. So that's a pretty striking piece. But this is the one that really appealed to me, the Shire. And yeah, would you look at that? This is so cool. So yeah, that's pretty cool. You know, I went with the Shire because I felt like just this shape would feel really good in hand. You know, I'm sure that the Dwarf might be better if you're, you know, looking to like set it down, but you know, I kind of like to really hold on to them and, you know, use them to gesture and stuff like that. Very, very, you know, Bilbo-esque with that. So this is definitely pretty cool. I think exactly what I was hoping it would be, just as far as the look and the feel. The reason why I went ahead and picked this guy up is because this weekend we have our local Celtic festival here in Richmond. And I said, well, you know what? It'll be pretty cool to have something like this out there. I think that'll be a nice conversation piece or something that'll be a little bit unique. Actually, a lot of cigar smokers out there, but a few pipe smokers that I've seen. So, hey, if you're out there, definitely say hello if you see me walking around with this guy. So I may even film a little bit out there. Maybe even make a review. I definitely would like to make a review. But as far as the look, feel of it, initial impressions, definitely a really cool piece. And if it's anything like the other pipes that I've picked up from Missouri Meerschaum, then, you know, I think I'm going to be pretty satisfied with this guy. Hey, if you want to see that review, be sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions about this guy or comments, do you have any corncob pipes? I'd love to hear about what's in your collection. Then leave me a comment in the comments down below. Be sure to like the video, and thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.